Welcome student. Today we are going to study foundation course FY BCom semester 1 Indian society, its characteristics or features. By saying social structure is an abstract phenomena, it denotes external aspect of society. Each society has a pattern of organization which has structure that result from association of individual with one another. It may be a group, institution, association, community, or an organization, all of which are parts of social structure through which it functions. Let's see the features. First, complex society. Indian society is characterized as a pluralistic society because it possesses complex social order. It suffers from multitude of ethnic, linguistic, religious, and caste divisions. Second, rural society. About 70% of the Indian people live in villages. Indian villages continue to be underdeveloped. Even rural areas suffer from lack of infrastructural facilities. The gains of industrialization and technological breakthrough, which once enjoyed by urban areas, not yet reached the rural areas. Only now our government has started giving due importance to the objective of rural development. Third, economically backward country. India has made considerable progress in the fields of agriculture and industrialization, but still it continues to be an economically backward country. Even now, it remains 64th poorest nation in the world. Major part of our population continues to live below the poverty line. Illiteracy. Illiteracy and ignorance among the people of India is another important features of the social system in India. About 60% of the population continues to be illiterate in India. Illiteracy creates many social problems, concern governmental action, and strong social support are needed in removing the rate of illiteracy. Fifth, diversified languages. Diversity in languages is another feature of the social environment of India. The Constitution of India recognizes 22 languages as the major languages, which are spoken by 87% of the population. Of them, Hindi is spoken by 31% of the population. Linguistic diversity and love and affection of people towards their regional languages have made the government to recognize Indian state on the basis of languages. Hence, language has emerged as a key factor of social and political climate in India. Sixth point, racial diversity. As already stated, people belong to different races such as Aryan, Dravidian, Mongolian inhabit India. People in the eastern state have affinity with Mongolian race, hence the racial intermixing has taken place to a limited extent in India. Even though the principle of unity in diversity is accepted, diversities are many times allowed to dominate the objective of unity. 7. Caste. Caste has been the predominant features of Indian social system. The constitution has taken great step towards the dilution of caste and casteism. Caste and casteism have been playing important factor in social, economic, cultural and political life in India. As caste system has deep historical roots, it cannot be abolished. Next, existence of communalism. The existence of communalism in the society is another feature of Indian social system. It constitutes a big danger to the unity and integrity of the nation. Next point, regionalism. People belonging to a particular region consider those who belong to other regions as outsider. Diversities in caste, religion, language, and culture have contributed to forces of regionalism. Channelizing regionalism and make it to contribute to nationalism is one of the difficult tasks before the Indian socio-political system. Tradition. In India, both tradition and modernity exist side by side. Tradition is clearly affected by modern trends and pressures. Finally, lack of free movement. There is increased gap between the elites and the masses. There is no free movement among different linguistic groups, castes, etc. This problem is clearly reflected between high and low caste, literates and illiterates, urbanites and ruralites, etc. Thus, the social structure of Indian society is characterized by religious, regional, linguistic, communal, and caste diversities. All these factors determine the environment of Indian social structure, social system. Thank you.